Here are some important policy specifics you need to know as a property manager. The policy is only available to landlords who use a property managing agent and have signed an agreement in place for that agent to fully manage the property. The best time to arrange the insurance for a new landlord is as soon as you sign them as a client.
With that said, many of your current landlords will want this insurance, so make them aware of this opportunity to protect themselves as well. Using the opt-in, opt-out form available on our website is an ideal way to uphold your duty of care, and it provides proof that you offered him or her the opportunity.
If the landlord decides not to protect themselves, then be sure to have them sign the opt-out form as proof that you offered him or her the opportunity. This protects you in case they have a loss later on and thought they had asked you for insurance. The qualifying period on an occupied rental is 2 consecutive months, meaning the tenant must have paid their rent in full and on time for the past 2 consecutive months in order for a landlord to qualify for this coverage. If there is already a tenant in their property and they are delinquent in their rent payment, then it's too late to insure that loss. You can request coverage, but until that tenant pays their rent by the due date for 2 consecutive months, there won't be any rent loss coverage under the policy. This is called the qualifying period. Insurance does not replace your duty of care to the landlord. It is imperative that if a tenant becomes delinquent or damages the property, you do everything in your power to minimize the loss, otherwise your claim could be reduced or denied. Finally, the best way to understand the policy is to read the wording yourself and read the key facts we put together and encourage your landlord to do the same. We have an online training guide for property managers that may also help you to understand the product and the process.